Namaste student. Here we have a few questions related to coordinate geometry. These are very short questions. Name the mathematician who developed coordinate geometry. Rene Descartes. Next, how many points are required to locate a line segment? 2 points. Your answer is 2 points. Next, the axis divide the plane into 4 parts. The axis divide the plane into 4 parts. So these parts what we call quadrant. Next, what are the coordinate of origin? Coordinate of origin. Here we have origin and the coordinate is 0 0 and we need to keep in a first bracket. What is the point of intersection of x-axis called? Point of intersection of not axis, not x-axis. What is the point of intersection of axis called? So these are the axis and intersection will give you origin. The name is origin. What is the distance of a point from x-axis? That is distance of a point from x-axis we call not y-axis, we call x coordinate and have a special name, that is a abscissa. Next, what is the distance of a point from y-axis called? That is y coordinate and the name is ordinate, another name. We can apply both y coordinate or ordinate. Next, what is the equation of x-axis? So these are the equation. So here if you take this one, this is your y-axis and this is your x-axis, and equation for this one is what? That is for y, for x-axis the name is y equals to 0. This is y, this for x-axis y is 0. You can see that here at x-axis, at each point of x-axis you can see that y is 0. That's why y equals to 0. And what is the coordinate of y-axis? On y-axis at each point you can see that x equals to 0. So your answer is x equals to 0. Next question. The line y equals to 0 represent which axis? Right now only I've told you. This is, you can see the coordinate. This is y-axis, not coordinate, axis, y-axis, x-axis, and here your y equals to 0. That means your answer for this one is x equals x-axis and for this one is y-axis. And what about this one? The line y equals to 3 is parallel to which axis? So if we'll go with this one, here we have diagram. You can see that here y equals to 3. That means which is parallel to what? X-axis. You can see that in this case at every point you can see your y is 3 but x changes. You can see here x changes indefinitely but y is fixed. So this is your y equals to 3 is parallel to x-axis. So we'll write here x-axis. That means if you'll see here the line x equals to -5, this is x equals to -5. This line is parallel to y-axis. So here, next, name the axis on which the point -3 0 lies. So if we'll take axis like this, so name the axis on which the point -3 0 lie. So -3, let's see, find -3. -3 will be this side. Take 1 2 3 -3 and 0. So -3 0 lie on which axis? See, on which axis? X-axis. Name the axis on which the point 0 -2 lie. So 0 means here on y-axis we'll get x equals to 0 and -2 will be this side, 1 2 like this. So this will be your 0 -2. On which axis it lie? Y-axis. So your answer is y-axis. Next, what is the perpendicular distance of the point P -3 -5 from y-axis? So here if we'll take again the plane, so here Cartesian plane we can say. In this case what? -3 -5. So let's put the -3 -5. So -3 1 2 3 -3 and -5 1 2 3 4 5, think like that. So we have here -3 minus 5. So this is your perpendicular distance from y-axis, and this is the perpendicular distance from x-axis. So here minus would be there, but distance will be positive. So we'll take here 3 units distance, and this is your 5 units. Now let's see, find what they are saying. What is the perpendicular distance of the point from y-axis? So from y-axis is what? This is 3 units. You write here 3 units. Do not write minus symbol. What is the perpendicular distance of the point P minus 4 minus 9 from x-axis? So same type of question. So it may be here minus 4 minus 9. So they are asking from x-axis. So for x-axis you need to see your y coordinate, but it should be positive. So here 9 units. Next, what is the mirror image of Q? So if we'll take here, we have the Cartesian plane here. Take the mirror image for this one. Take a point 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. So if we'll go here 1, 2, 1, 3, here 2, 3 we are getting. So now it's saying that about x-axis. So if you'll keep your mirror here, your image will be this side, opposite of it. That means opposite of it, same distance here, so 2, but it is below the x-axis, that means minus 3. So mirror image for this point 2, 3 about x-axis will be your 2 minus 3. Next, what is the mirror image of r minus 7 minus 8? So minus 7, go this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, minus 7, and what? Minus 8. So go below, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Think it here, it is minus 7, minus 8. Now it is asking you the mirror image of minus 7, minus 8 about y-axis. So keep your image here, mirror here about y-axis and find it. So if you find it here, you can see your image will be, well, the image will be this side. That will be what? Here what? Here x is positive and y is negative. That means it will change into your plus 7 and minus 8 will remain same. So your answer is 7 minus 8. Mirror image for this one. So next proceed for next problem. Here we have, if the point xy lie on y-axis, then what is the value of x? If we'll take this only, take here, if your xy lie on y-axis, so if your point xy lie on y-axis, then what value of x is what on y-axis? 0. So x equals to what? Value of x equals to 0. Okay. If the point x minus y lie on x-axis, then what is the value of y? The value of y is what? 0. Okay. Find the coordinates of point whose abscissa is 9 and ordinate is this one. So if we'll go for xy, then this is your abscissa and this is your ordinate. Now abscissa is 9 and ordinate minus 2. So what will the coordinate? 9 minus 2, finish. Next, find the coordinate of the point whose abscissa is minus 7 and it lie on x-axis. So lie on x-axis, that means y equals to 0 and abscissa is 7. So minus 7, 0. Your answer is minus 7, 0. So find the coordinate of the point whose ordinate is 4. Ordinate is 4 means y part is 4 and it lie on y-axis. Y-axis means x equals to 0. So your answer is 0, 4. Coordinate is 0, 4. A point x-axis at a distance 5 unit. You take it this one, xy plane. Here we have xy plane. So now what they are saying, a point lie on x-axis at a distance of 5 unit. X-axis, the point lie on x-axis at a distance of what? At a distance of 5 unit. It may be this side, it may be that side. Okay, 5 unit this side and 5 unit this side, but we don't know which side. Now let's see after that what they are saying. And lie on the right side of origin. So this is your origin and this is your hand, this is your right and this is your left. So right side, that means this side. So your coordinate will be what? On this side, if you take this point, your answer is 5 comma 0, and if you go this side, left side, then it will have minus 5 comma 0. But they are asking here right side, so our coordinate is 5 comma 0. This is your coordinate. And for this one, a point lie on y-axis, so point will be on y-axis. Now this is your above x-axis and this is below x-axis. So what they're saying, so point maybe lie on this or on this side at a distance of 2, maybe here or maybe here. But after that, second condition, it lie above the x-axis. So this is your x-axis and above the x-axis is this side. That means here we have the coordinate, and the coordinate is what? 0, 2, and for this your coordinate is 0, minus 2. So but they are asking above the x-axis, so your answer is 0, 2. Okay, I hope it is clear to all of you. Thank you.